Alright guys, how you going? So we are on our train heading towards Ikea today. So I left Et sur Alzette in Luxembourg and I'm heading to Klittenbierten on the border of Luxembourg and Belgium. And then from there I'm going to walk to Ikea, because Ikea is actually in Belgium and it's not in Luxembourg. So yeah, for those of you guys who don't know what Ikea is a massive furniture company. It originated out of Sweden quite many years ago. Ikea is famously known for its flat pack furniture as well as its food. The Swedish meatballs, or the Ikea Swedish meatballs, are the best things to eat at Ikea. So yeah, I'm gonna go shopping there today. We got a bit of a challenge today. I'm gonna try and see if I can fill up my student accommodation for under 100 euros. So as you guys know, I'm moving into my student accommodation. I've just moved here to Luxembourg. I arrived just under a week ago on Tuesday morning. So yeah, I'm gonna try and fill up my. I've got to get bed sheets. I've got to get duvet covers. I've maybe got to get a carpet, some stationery, and that's why I've chosen Ikea, because Luxembourg is lavishly expensive, given it is the most expensive country in Europe. So hence why I'm taking myself off to the border here, and I think that's another reason why Ikea doesn't actually have a shop in Luxembourg, because it is quite expensive. So yeah, look, we're gonna do 100 euros and we're gonna see if we can get everything we need. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy the video. Click like and share, and let's go have some fun at Ikea. So I've just arrived here at Kleinbutton. We are about 3 kilometers away from the Luxembourg-Belgium border. So I'm going to get walking there now, and once we've crossed the border we will head to Ikea. As it is part of the Schengen area, I don't actually need my passport to cross the border. It's actually just the road that goes straight through. But yeah, we're going to head walking there and hopefully we'll be in Belgium in about 45 minutes time. Alright, so guys, I am here. I am currently standing at the border between Luxembourg and Belgium. The border is split, where's my finger, right over here. So that side is Belgium and I am currently still standing in Luxembourg. But yeah, I just think this is just the most bizarre thing. I've never experienced something like it. I mean, I'm talking about the border. I mean, it's just a road. There's nothing, you wouldn't even know that you were in Belgium. In any case, but yeah, we're nearly there. We'll keep walking and hopefully we'll be in Ikea very soon.
1 hour later.
So we have arrived here finally at Ikea after just over an hour's walk. I'm absolutely sweating my balls, even though it's only 8 degrees here. I feel like I'm absolutely on fire. But yeah, we're here at Ikea. Let's go in and let's start shopping. Once again, the challenge is to buy my whole apartment for under 100 euros. Halfway through my shopping. I think I've got about like 50 to 60 euros worth of stuff. I got myself some famous Swedish meatballs that I don't want to drop them. So I'm sitting here at Ikea's famous restaurant. This costs me a total of 7 euros for
12 meatballs and a roll. So yeah, we're gonna keep going and we'll hopefully come in at just under 100 euros for all my shopping. I'm gonna enjoy my meatballs now, and the camera's gonna die, so I'm not gonna record me eating my meatballs, but we'll keep shopping and hopefully we'll get enough footage and you guys can see the challenge of whether I can get my stuff in at under 100 euros.
If you're in need of a shit with a mate, Ikea in Belgium has you sorted. They have dual toilets with no divider, so you know if you and your mate want to come and hold hands and have yourself a good shit together, you know, because girls go to the toilets together, so apparently so do guys in Belgium. Well, I don't know, but I don't think I'd want to be with anyone while I'm doing my business, but just in case you feel like it, there's a spot for you just here. Conveniently, Ikea places porta potties outside the toilets. Whether you call that a good marketing move, as well as that they have bath mats and soap dispensers right outside their bathrooms. So yeah, just in case you need some last minute shopping after you've taken a shit, Ikea's got you covered.
The next day.
Well, good morning guys. I'm sorry, but the camera had actually died yesterday whilst I was shopping at Ikea. So you guys didn't actually get to see me head through the till and whether or not I'd actually completed the challenge. Was I able to furnish my apartment for under 100 euros? Well, I wasn't actually. It came to about 150 euros for everything. I'll prove to you on my Ikea receipt. This is my, it actually broke, but this is my very long ass Ikea receipt. There is the total. If it focuses, where is it? I don't know where it is. There we go. 145 euros everything cost me. So now the question being, well, what did I buy? Here's my Ikea bags. They are full of crap. I bought, as you saw in the video, I bought plates, Tupperware, cups, pans, warm slippers, a duvet, a pillow, sheets. They're currently in the wash. I bought a little plant as well, and I didn't buy the detergent, but I bought the plant, so that was from Ikea. Oh, I bought a candle. There's my little apple scented candle going. So yeah, no, we weren't able to bring it in at under 100 euros, but that's okay. 150 euros isn't so bad for 5 months. My two neighbors next door, they managed to do this for 50 euros, but they went to Action. So maybe I picked the wrong store. Coming from Australia, Ikea is cheap, but maybe there's cheaper in Europe.